Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AK Coding. So today we will discuss a roadmap of AI and machine learning that will help us to explore our machine learning journey. So let's start now. In AI and machine learning roadmap, I have picked 8 key topics. 1. Introduction to artificial intelligence and machine learning. 2. Foundations of AI. 3. Machine learning basics. 4. Supervised learning algorithm. 5. Unsupervised learning algorithm. 6. Advanced topic in AI and ML. 7. Ethical and societal implication of AI. 8. Hands-on projects and practical application. So let us discuss one by one. Topic 1. In topic 1, this will cover introduction part of artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is further consist of 3 subtopics, that is definition and scope of AI and ML, historical overview and evolution of AI, application of AI and ML in various fields. Let us move forward. Topic 2. In topic 2, we will learn foundation of AI, which is further consist of 4 subtopics. Number first, search algorithm, that is breadth first search, depth first search, heuristic search. Number second, problem solving methods, that is a ununiform search, informated search, constraint satisfaction problem. Knowledge representation, propositional logic, first order logic, semantic network, ontologies. Number fourth, planning and decision making, that is a classical planning, reinforcement learning, Markov decision process. Let us move to the topic third, that is machine learning basics, which is consist of introduction to the supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. Type of ML algorithm, that is regression, classification, clustering, dimensionality reductions, evolution matrix, that is accuracy, precision, recall, first F1 score, confusion matrix. Model selection and validations, that is cross validation, hyperparameters turning, bias variations trade-off. Let us move forward to topic number 4 for our AI and machine learning roadmap. So in topic 4th, we will cover supervised learning algorithms, which is further consist of 4 subtopics. Number first, linear regression. Number second, logistic regression. Number third, support vector machines. Number four, decision tree and random forests. Number fifth, native Bayes classifiers. Number sixth, neural networks and deep learnings. Let us move forward for topic number 5th. In topic number 5th, we will learn unsupervised learning algorithms, which is further consist of 5 key subtopics. Number first, key means clustering. Number second, hierarchical clustering. Number third, principal component analysis. Number fourth, association rule learning. Number fifth, density based clustering. Let us move forward for the topic number 6. Topic number 6, it will cover advanced topics in AI and ML, which is further consist of 5 subtopics. Number first, natural language processing and text mining. Number second, computer vision and image recognitions. Number third, reinforcement learning algorithms, that is Q learning, deep Q network, policy gradient methods. Number fourth, generative adversarial network. Number fifth, time series analysis and forecasting. Let us move forward for topic 7 for our AI and machine learning roadmap. So in topic 7, we will learn ethical and societal implication of AI, which is further consist of 4 subtopics, that is bias and fairness in AI system. Number second, privacy and security concern. Number third, AI ethical and responsible AI development. Number fourth, legal and regulatory considerations. Let us move forward for the topic number 8 for our AI and machine learning roadmap. So in topic number 8, we will learn hand-on projects and practical applications, which is further consist of 2 subtopics. Number first, implementation of AI algorithm using Python library such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow and Keser. Number second, real world case studies and projects in various domains like healthcare, finance and robotics. Thanks guys.